load off that, and then you can stop it. You want to load it?
No.
Hold on.
Have the other one I want to unload. Unload the other one. I will put it up. Go behind it. Behind it. Stop. Now I'm going another one.
Okay.
What
Wait
will?
till we get around here.
I saw the little thing. I saw the little thing going in here.
You ready? Now that's when we need the TV down here, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Well, I fully expected to have one by Christmas. You keep saying and you don't buy. I don't think you ever buy one.
Rick?
What are you doing, Daddy? I got the train. Daddy, can I try some of that? Can I try? And I want to
Step
see.
over a little bit.
Some of what?
Can I try that? Your camera?
No, you can see what I'm doing when we get home.
Just wait. Just a little bit so you can make sense of it. Okay.